How to fix PS4 DNS error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS4 DNS error. So there are different reasons why the issues occur. So when the PS4 DNS error occurs or pops up on your screen, you won't be able to play game or use any services of PS4. The PS4 DNS error often occurs when there is something wrong with the PS4 DNS settings. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you need to try following this. You can try changing your DNS settings. So changing your DNS settings can help break many limitations with your IP address and access PlayStation services as well. So in order to do that, what you'll have to do is you need to open up your PS4. So after that, you need to navigate to the settings icon and then press the X button on the console. Now click the network in the settings menu and click setup. And then you need to click on set up internet connection. Then you will be asked how to connect to the network. Here you can select Wi-Fi or LAN cable, which depends on what type of network you want to connect to. Now if you're using a Wi-Fi network, select use Wi-Fi and then click on custom. After that, you need to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password to connect the network. Select automatic in the IP address settings and select manual in the DNS settings as well. After that, you need to select the options for do not use DHCP hostname, and that's basically how you can connect to a Wi-Fi. Apart from it, if this is not working out, then you can also reset your PS4. So hard resetting your PS4 will refresh the connection between your PS4 and the router. It also means all the settings will come to default, which can help fix the DNS error. All you have to do is just turn off your PS4 completely and remove the power cable from the back of the device as well. You need to connect all the peripheral from the PS4, including modem, router, controller, and all of that. That's basically how you can refresh your PS4. If this is also not working out, then you can run online support for troubleshooters. So you can just simply go ahead and contact the support team and state about the issue or get the help of a professional or an expert, and they'll look into your matter. So that's basically how you can fix your PS4 DNS error. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.